gotta cut it into little pieces.
No! I like that.
Graham, that's too big.
No, I want it like that.
Do you think
Graham, can we eat the cake?
Can we have a little bit? How about close then?
Mm-hmm.
How about Dad?
Yes.
I can have some? And then we gotta cut it.
No.
You cut it. Cut Dad a piece.
Can you cut me a piece?
Come it.
Chop it down. You gotta chop it down. Good job.
Chop. Chop.
Oh, you chopped him. It's a pizza. It's a pizza dollars. Okay, Graham, this is for you. You want that piece?